What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Black Panther crewmate from Among Us. Now we're going to begin in the center of the page with the top edge of the visor. Starting right in the center, we're going to draw a curve that goes up and we'll bend that down on the outside. Let's round out the side of the visor. Going back to the left, curve this out and then in. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's close off the bottom. Starting back on the left, curve this down and then up. Let's go in and add that shadow across the bottom of the visor. Starting from the top left, curve this down, across, and then bend that up on the right. Now we're going to draw the top of the head going out towards the left ear. Starting from the top of the visor on the right side, curve this up, and then bend that out. And then we'll draw in the ear. Starting from here, draw a straight angled line, going up and then out. Then we'll come down, and then just bend that in towards the side of the head. Let's move back and tuck the right ear on top of the head. Starting up here, draw a straight angled line going up and out. Curve this out and then down. Now we're going to go back to the left and round out the side of the body. Starting from the bottom of the ear, curve the body going out, come down, and then bend that in. And we'll go underneath the visor on the right side, come straight down, and we'll just bend that in towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, curve the foot coming down, and then up. Go to the right, do the same thing, and leave a gap in between the feet. And then going to the inside of the left foot, draw a straight line going up towards the body. And we'll curve the body going out, and then up. Go to the inside of the right foot, draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Let's add some detail across the top of the head. Leaving a gap in the center of the visor, go to the left side, curve up and then out. Go to the right, and do the same thing. And then from the top, angle up and out. Go to the right, go out toward the side of the head. And then from the left side, we're going to follow that same curve, going up and out. Let's trace this along the bottom. Stepping out, curving in, straight in, and then bend that down on top of the visor. Let's go down to the bottom of the ear, curve this down and then in towards the side of the visor. Step down and draw that twice. Now we're going to draw the necklace underneath the visor. Starting on the left side, curve this down the middle, and then bend that back up. Now I'm going to add some points underneath that curve. Starting right in the middle, coming down towards the bottom, and then taper that back up. Let's go over towards the right, angle this down towards the side of the body. Let's add a few more across the left side. Starting from the top, come down, and then pull that back up, leave a gap, draw another one, and then from the side we'll step in, angle down and out towards the side. Now we draw that same curve in between these points. Starting on the left, curve down and in, and just continue all the way across towards the right side. I'm also going to add a seam across the lower half of the body. Starting back on the left, come down, and then bend that up. Let's go all the way down to the bottom and separate the edge of the boot. Starting on the outside, angle down and then in. Just pull that up towards the inside of the leg. Let's go to the right, come down, and then up. I'm going to trace this along the bottom. Let's add the backpack on the left side of the body. We start from the very top, curve this out, then down, come down to the bottom, curve out, and then up. Connect the top and bottom with the same curve of the body, going out, and then in. Let's add the hand on the right side of the body. Starting from the top, I'm just going to curve the thumb, coming in, and then out. I'm just going to taper that back in. And then we'll add 2 claws along the top. Starting from the top of the thumb, curve up, and then bend that down. Taper that back in. Let's layer a second claw in behind. Starting on the outside, curve up, and then down. And then we'll just tuck that in behind. And then we'll close off the bottom of the hand. Starting from the inside of the thumb, curve in and up, step down, curve out and up underneath the last claw. And now we're going to separate the edge of the claws. Starting from the top of the thumb, curve this around and then down towards the bottom. Go to the top, curve around and then out. Do the same thing on the outside. And that's pretty much it. There's the Black Panther crewmate from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.